Hi, welcome to JTTMath Easier. We'll be talking calculus 2, and the main topic is inverse trigonometry function integration. So, in order to perform a lot of these questions that you're going to get in the Larson book, you must know these three formulas, which is arctan, arcsine, and arcsecant. And then the first question we have is telling us to evaluate the integral. So what we have, So what we have are some endpoints from 0 to 1/2, 3 over the square root of 1 minus 9x squared. It kind of looks like one of these formulas that we have, and which is the integral of du over a squared minus u squared over the integral. So obviously here what I would do is I know my a squared is 1, which means my a is 1, right? My u squared, just to make it a little bit more simpler for people, your u squared is obviously 9x squared, right? And in order to have u by itself, we'll obviously unsquare it, I guess you could say it. And then there'll be 3x squared. So since we've solved this part, what I like to do is write it down here, and for the endpoints that are given here, I like to do them at the end, so I can not write them when I'm doing the integration. So I tend to do that at the last step. So then we have 3 over 1 minus 3x squared all over the square root dx. Now here, obviously, you can't simplify it even further, so what we're going to do is do u substitution. So u will be 3x, and our du is 3 equals dx. So once you get this done, make sure to do this, it was very important, so I like to write key things to remind you. So then we do the integration again, so it'll be 3 1 minus u squared du over 3, and we're almost there. Obviously the 3 goes into one another, so now we have du 1, I forgot about the square root, 1 minus u squared over the square root. Now this and this are the same. Okay, and then from there, now you want to integrate. So you go, you go arcsine u, which is your 3x, all over a, which is 1. You can put the 1, it's not a big deal if you don't put it. Usually you add your plus c, but since we have the endpoints, you go 0 over 16. 1 over 6, and then every goes to the biggest to the smallest. So you go arc sine of 3 times 1 over 6 minus arc sine of 0. And your answer is, sorry, I didn't do it all the way over there. Your answer is pi over 6. Plug in your calculator. If you don't have a calculator, then I guess you have to memorize the unit circle, or you can just times each side by sign. And that's basically it. Hope this helped you, and there should be more videos posted up soon. Thank you.